Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. The idea for today is to take a very small portion of movement that you know from your Tàijíquán form. So I like to say a move, but generally people think of a move and it's a whole thing that has a name, which is comprised of a bunch of different moves, the way a circle is made up of a bunch of different arc seconds. So the idea here is to just think of a very small movement, like let's say this. I don't know how well you can see that with the lighting in here. Or maybe I'll just pick a different one. So this movement, all right? So we just take that movement and we're gonna just repeat it many times. So a very small thing. And essentially what I'm going to do is challenge myself to do it 36 times or 81 times or 108 times or 500 times or 1,008 times or 10,000 times or some pretty big number. I probably know I'm not going to get there. And the reason for that is that the moment I feel like I'm meaningfully failing my principles, so I hesitate, I disconnect from the feet, I lose attention, I use unnecessary muscular tension and so forth. What I'm going to do, so let's say I'm on a 73, 74, and then I feel like, okay, I've meaningfully messed up. Then I'm going to transition to the other side, and I'm going to start my count over. And again, let's say I messed this up on number 11, then I go back to the side that's probably tired, but maybe while it's tired, I have a better chance of doing it well. It's harder for my systems to get in the way of my Tàijíquán software. So it's harder for my muscles to kind of get in the way. So I give it another try, starting over at number 1, and I'm going to try and get to 500 on this very small movement of the torso, of the hip, of the leg, of the arm, of the fingers, whatever, it doesn't really matter to me. But play with that and make a challenge for yourself of doing very many of these. And you know, it's almost as if by doing many of them, you'll get better at it. So thank you very much. Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you.